Get any rolls with me? Ooh. So I'm in here, guys. What do I do? Just kind of tippy toe? Tippy toe, tippy toe. So I'm in this position right here. A couple things I can do. If I'm able to push him up, I can just come up here, push him up, fall back, and take us back from here. Thank you again. Let's go back. Sit on your butt here. Sit on your butt. If I have seatbelt control here, and the counter to get out gave my push back, I can't hold on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let go here, and I'm just going to come in here. You guys see this, how I did this? Put all my weight back, and squeeze it, get my shoulder in here. Go ahead and tap when you feel good. North-south choke. Let's do it again. Over again on the side so everybody can see. When I put the north-south choke on, guys, this is the grip that I want. You guys see this? Gable grip. Hey, don't do the seatbelt. Do the gable grip right here. So if I'm in here with the seatbelt and Gabe pushes back to get out, see, I can't hold him. I'm going to let him fall. I'm going to keep this underhook, and I'm just going to transition in here. Put my weight back, lock my hands with the gable grip, sag back, 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 and squeeze. Squeeze. Yes, sir.
Can you do the Kimura with that too?
You can do the Kimura. I'm just changing the little transition here. Forget the Kimura. I think this is a faster transition. So, what's going on there? Somebody's out there. So from here, he pushes back, just like you see my hand position. Just take it, then sag back. See my hips are back, my shoulders in here. Doesn't take much to squeeze that at all. Thank you very much, Gabe. Huh? Thank you. Phil. And Lance. I think that's a better transition. Turtle position. Turtle position. You guys are good. I'll put you on the YouTube tonight. Lock your, keep that tight to his chest, Phil. Go ahead. Okay. Tippy toe, tippy toe. Tippy toe. Okay. Now, that hand goes over. North, south, get off your knees, get off your knees. Lock your hands, Phil. Like this. Now squeeze it, squeeze it. Phil, keep going. Tap Lance when you feel that. Very good. See how he has see how he has like a seatbelt control? He's got it really tight. Yes, sir. Good. There you go. Okay. Okay. Go ahead, Phil. Go ahead and roll. Go ahead and roll. Okay. Put your weight on. Put your weight. Okay. Lock the gable grip. Okay. Put your shoulder into his throat. Put your shoulder into his throat. Okay. You got it. Very good. Thank you. Gauge for my hand. Let's try it, right? Let's try it. Let's try it. Okay, put the seatbelt on. Seatbelt control. Okay, get off. Get off here. Okay. Go ahead and roll. Okay, keep the seatbelt control. Don't let go. Seatbelt. Okay. Transition in the north-south. Transition. Okay. And lock your grip. Lock your grip like this. Squeeze it. Tap when you feel nice. Very good. Thank you. Gabe, come on here real quick. I want you to try it on me. Okay, so you come in. So if I roll, tippy toe, tippy toe. Transition, push back. Let's go and pop my neck down. Good job, Gabe. All right, guys, let's get a little partners. Let's drill this. Philip and Gabe, let's go. You want to come on?